are you trying to do?
This building don't have light, and even all these ones, they don't have light. It's because of this wire that cut.
So, what do you want to do?
I want to fix it.
Chineke, are you an electrician?
Does it matter?
Mark, call power holding to fix this light too.
Uncle, electric will shock you.
Hey, I think.
Now.
Finally, someone wants to help us fix the lights.
Nice one.
And he's so cute.
Yeah, he's handsome.
Who are those beautiful girls?
He's hardworking.
I like his generosity.
They are our new neighbors. Don't mind them, oh.
I will mind them.
This guy is a good guy.
Wow, look at the way he holds the ladder. He's climbing.
Mark, you've not climbed ladder before.
Does it matter? Come and help me hold this ladder.
Will you help?
Look at how he's holding the ladder. What's he doing? Can you see he's climbing without holding it? He's not holding the ladder. Ha! Oh my god. I like this guy. Ha! He's got a plier. Can you see how he's handling his plier? He must be a professional.
Wow.
This guy is a professional.
Sure he is.
He's good at this.
Hey.
He just threw away the plier.
Wait. What is he trying to do? He's using his bare hands to touch naked wire? I've never seen this before. I'm loving this guy. Wow, he's licking naked wire. This guy is the best electrician I've ever seen in the world. Wow, he's eating naked wire.
This is courageous.
I smell barbecue.
Uncle Mark is smelling like roasted corn.